What's up people, and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. Only the craziest and most epic moments caught on driver's dashcam can be seen right here on this channel. We got all the latest trending car content, so make sure to stick through the entire episode and write me your opinion about it. Let's not delay any further and jump right into it. This camera was just out for a nice evening drive when all of a sudden this happened. Check out what he managed to capture on his dashcam.
You just can't fathom the idea of going outside. Whoever is going for a walk, bike ride, so on, just move more during the day. Those little calories, they add up. Turn on. Music, dance around a little.
Crazy cyclist came out in front of moving traffic, and he didn't look all too bothered at all.
They see me rolling, they hate it, patrol.
And so I think there's some issues.
We always tell our viewers to do the speed limit. There is no need for speeding on the road at all, because speeding never does any good to anyone in traffic. Traffic lights are not to be messed with. Run a red light and you have a high chance of causing a total mess, just like this driver here. In most situations, drivers get away with running a red light, but not this one here. A police officer was there and he delivered a dose of karma quickly.
Okay, I'm sure we can do that, dude. Record video.
Wow. Okay, Presto. That's crazy.
We reached the end of another episode full of Dashcam collection moments. Let me know if you enjoyed in this one down in the comment section below. Feel free to write me if you change anything as well. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.